Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're quite well, and this data is especially for mobile user. So here is third God's background for mobiles, black and white here, and color is here. So you can import or you can write any quotes, text or etc. Depend yourself on your phone. So for example, I write this. No. Control Shift L for auto leveling or undo, depend your own self, and create new layer. Control A, select all, and then Control back for black background. Control backspace, and opacity is 68, and right is here. Font size 72 or 48. Time is not equal. Change font color, font design. And time is not equal. Sometimes days long and sometime times nights. So you can write your anything on in background. Everything is better, but not better for you. So you can write anything I tell you, just for example or hints. I know you can do better. So I close this file, and this file for especially mobile phone user and low resolution for mobile phone. You see, and back here is black and white, so you can write anything. Wow. Amazing. You can write anything like drag, with you, so make more stylish. Copy and color red. Okay, depend your own choice. You can do better, or you can write half red color and half white color. Okay, I delete it. Like ghost girls or vampire. So I hope this data useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.